Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can stop Opera GX from opening on startup. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly, and let's begin. So first of all, open up your Opera browser on your PC. You'll be able to see this kind of interface. Now in the left side menu bar of Opera, select the gear icon at the end of the list to open up the settings. Here you can tweak anything you want and personalize your web browser according to your preferences. Inside settings, locate run when computer starts. Either you can search for it in the search bar at the top right corner, or you can manually scroll down in the settings. While using the search bar, you can type in the pieces of the heading to locate it, and I'm gonna search for it manually. Click on run when computer starts and toggle it off. Now what will happen is that when you open up your PC, the browser won't start up on its own until you open it or run it yourself. This will maximize the performance of your PC on startup, and load will also decrease on your RAM. And that's how you can stop Opera GX from opening on startup. So that's all for today's video guys. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.